Hey guys, it's Maymay, and I am so excited to tell you about a new class we're going to be offering all of 2023. You heard me right. It's a year of folios in 2023. So if you'd like to learn more about it, here's what you do. Head to maymayevents.com. That's the site we're on here. And I want you to scroll. There's two options. You're going to see our online class options or our in-person classes. This is an online class, so I want you to slide over here and click online class. And these are the four we have available right now. The one we're going to talk about today is this guy, the 1 year of folios. I'm going to click on that. Now, let me tell you the premise of this class, okay? This is a folio a month. This is a way to document your year and do it with me and Shannon. We're really excited, and I'm just going to be honest, it's just an excuse for us to hang out with you guys every month, making one of the things we love, which is folios. So how does this work? Every month, I'm going to send to you a recorded video of the folio for that month. You will have a week to view the video and put your folio together. And then the following week, we have a Zoom event where we get together and we craft together on Zoom, where Shannon and I will finish our folios. So we'll come just like you to the Zoom class. We'll have our folio assembled, but we'll put our photos in and we'll do our decorating together in the Zoom class with you guys. There'll be other fun things we do in the Zoom class. We'll sprinkle things in throughout the year, but that's the premise. Now, our plan is we want to bring you a new element to your folio every month. So the folio we'll be creating is basically built off of the chassis that we've done in the past, kind of our 3-page folio. But each month, Shannon and I are challenging ourselves to bring you a new element, something you can add to your folios all throughout the year. So by the time it's over with, you'll have 12 different ways of making or using or adding elements to your folio. So we're really having a good time designing these, and I think you will enjoy it. The best part is we get to hang out together and make folios, and actually by the end of the year, complete 12. So let me show you what comes in your kit. We're going to be playing with the Simple Stories Life Captured collection and all of the ephemera that goes with it. We're also going to be using the 6x8 pad that goes with it. We're going to use the Sizzix Surface cardstock to build our folios. It's a perfect color combination that we found, and it'll work out great to give us plenty of cardstock to do all the elements we want to add throughout the year. We are using magnets. We're going to send you those in your kit, as well as a 6x8 stamp set, which is our prompted album stamp set, because we want to use it throughout the year as well. Now, the only thing you'll need to bring for the class whenever you get ready to make is your Make It kit. This is something we do every time we have any kind of class or event. These are the things we want you to have at your desk. So if you click on Make It Kit, it will bring you here and show you what to have handy while you're working and what to have handy during the Zoom for our crops, because we'll be working together to put all the little elements in. So that's what you'll need to make it happen. Now, let's talk about when the classes are. The recorded class will come to you on the last Thursday of every month at 10 a.m. Central Time. The Zooms will be the first Thursday of every month at 10 a.m. Central Time. So you see how we're doing that? We want to keep it the same Thursday of every month for both, so you can remember, oh, this Thursday is my live class, this Thursday is my Zoom event. Now we've put in here the times and the dates for you, so you'll know that. And I want you to know this. The Zooms will also be recorded. We will be recording those and giving you those after the fact. So if you can't attend at 10 a.m. in the morning, you can watch those later, and you can still watch me and Shannon put our photos in, put all our elements in, so you can see how we finish our folios each month as well. I'm excited. We're going to be doing a lot of fun stuff in the Zoom classes with you guys. We're going to get to hang out with you every month. Okay, guys, that is 1 year of folios. Now, I want to do one thing. Before you make your purchase, if I didn't answer all your questions, I would encourage you to email Shannon at maymaymadeit.com and let her answer anything that you have in mind before you make your purchase, so you'll know that you're making a good, educated decision. We're excited. I can't wait to do this all year with you guys. It's going to be super fun. Now, there's one thing I want to tell you. We released this last month, so we've already been selling, and we've had a pretty good turnout, but we do have some left. This will, it does have an end, is what I want to say. It will sell out at some point, okay? And I do want to tell you this. Let's say you're watching this video in like August of 2023, and you think, well, I missed out on this one. If any of these classes are available, go ahead and jump in. everything is recorded, so you can jump in and start where you're at and finish out the year with us and go back and finish the ones that you didn't get to do live with us. Or you could go back and do those first and catch up and then jump in with us. So you really won't miss out. You can get in anytime because that's why we're recording everything. So you can jump in anytime throughout the year and make for yourself a year of folios recording your year of 2023. All right, guys, we're excited. I can't wait to see you in class. And until next time, bye now.